This is part two of the pH calculation lesson. Have a couple more equations I want you guys to be familiar with. One of them is the hydrogen ion concentration times the hydroxide concentration. Always multiply out to a constant, or the kW of water, of 1 times 10 to the negative 14th power. The other equation that you'll sometimes use, again, if you have one of them, you can use it to solve for the other, is the pH plus the POH, which you don't hear as much, but it is used, is always equal to 14. A couple ways we can look at these problems, and here's an example. You can have, if you have a OH concentration equal to 3.0 times 10 to the minus 8th. And I want to figure out what the pH of that solution is. You could do a couple things. You could figure out the POH right away. And let's go ahead and do that. The POH would be equal to the negative log of 3.0 times 10 to the negative 8th. All right? And you get an answer for that of POH equal to 7.52. Now, if I took the 14 minus the 7.52, that would get me an answer of 6.48. That would actually be the pH in this case. Okay. pH would be equal to that. Another way you could do it is actually back over here, solve for the hydrogen ion concentration, which in this case would be 1.0 times 10 to the minus 14th divided by 3.0 times 10 to the minus 8th. That gives me a hydrogen ion concentration of 3.33 times 10 to the minus 7th. And then I can plug that into our original pH equation, which would look like something like this. Go ahead and change colors here so we can see that. So again, pH would be equal to the negative log of that number. Again, it's always the negative log. And lo and behold, when I plug that in my calculator like I showed you in the last video, I will get 6.48 for my pH. So just two ways to do the same kind of problem using those two calculations.